Good afternoon, I'm Scott Cannon from Cape Yachts. Welcome aboard our Beneteau Oceanis 51.1. I'm here to give you a quick tour of our boat. Starting on the transom, we have the power swim platform that Beneteau puts on their boats. Very easy to operate, basically operates off a switch right there on the port side. Basically push a button, comes up and down. This boat here is also equipped with our gas grill. Very convenient feature for those of you who like to cook out on your boat after a long day of sailing or baking breakfast in the morning. A great place to cook breakfast. As you move your way up into the cockpit area, this has dual helms. This boat is equipped with 4 electric winches, 2 on each side. You'll also notice on this boat, one of the nice things that Beneteau has done is they've moved all of the lines under these cowlings. So everything comes back to the helm station, but it also makes the boat very easy to single hand. So you're right here at the helm station, there's all your lines. It's the same on both sides. This boat does have autopilot, bow thruster, and again, 4 electric winches. Very easy to single hand this boat if you had to. While one person's down below working on something below, maybe doing navigation work, the other person can easily be up here steering the boat. You move forward, you have your cockpit table, a very spacious cockpit, lounging pads up above. If you look up on the deck, this boat has a self-tacking jib, and it has the in-mast furling for the main. I'm not sure if you can see that through there, but it does have that on this boat. This is our 3-cabin layout on this boat. You can do multiple versions of this boat. You can have a 3-cabin or a 4-cabin layout on the boat. This has 3 cabins, 2 heads. You have the 2 cabins in the stern. The port and starboard cabin are basically the same size. You have a nice shelf off to the side, and a good size, full-size bed in each berth. Then you have your L-shaped galley here on the port side of the boat. This boat here, we have either you can have the storage unit here or you can have the washer dryer. This boat here, we've chosen the option of putting the washer dryer unit in there. For people who are doing long range cruising, it is a great option. On the starboard side, you'll find your head. And in the head, if you come around the corner, you'll find that it has an enclosure for your shower, so you'll be able to keep the head area dry at all times. You have a nice seating area here with a full-size table. Plenty of room for your guests to sit. You have your navigation table over here on the port side. Good-sized navigation table. Radios over here, your VHF radios over here, your electronic controls are over here as well. It's all push-button electronics on this side over here. And you have your handheld radio over here. As you step forward into the main cabin, you'll find you have this island berth. It's a walk-around berth. You can step up and you're completely around. A nice seating area on both sides. A full-size bed up here as well. You'll also find that on this boat you have a separate head and shower in the main cabin. On this side is your head. And on the starboard side is the separate shower. There's also a hanging locker in this cabin, as well as plenty of storage all along the sides. This boat is equipped with a Yanmar 80 horsepower engine. It does have sail drive. There is radar and full GPS. As I said, is a great sailing vessel, easy to maintain with one person or with 2. It is available for anybody to come by and see us here at Cape Yachts in South Dartmouth. I hope you enjoyed this tour of our boat. Thank you.